It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2016 INFINITI QX80. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the QX80. The driver's door has a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, power door locks, power windows with 4 auto express windows, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, and you'll notice this INFINITI comes with a premium Bose sound system, door storage with a cup holder down below, and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel, we have the telescopic steering wheel, the power liftgate button, park assist, rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, leather interior, and a power sunroof up above. Next, I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. On the left side are the audio buttons and Bluetooth command. On the right side are our cruise control buttons. Overhead are some interior light buttons and a place to store your sunglasses. Next up is our infotainment screen. This touch screen displays the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and it doubles as our backup camera with guidance. The hard buttons for our radio and media options down below, CD player, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front leather seats, heated steering wheel, some power plug-ins, and the buttons to fold the rear seats down. At the front of the INFINITI, we have fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.6-liter V8 engine under the hood, chrome mirror caps, chrome roof rack up top, rear tinted windows, 4 full-size doors, running boards down below. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, the rear window wiper, and the power lift gate. We're going to use our key fob, holding that button down to open up the rear lift gate. In the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, the buttons to fold those third row seats down, a power plug-in, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got built-in headrest DVDs, along with leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has the rear heated seat buttons, the rear climate control buttons, and some power plug-ins down below. Rubber floor mats on the floor, 2 bucket seats in the center row with a center console. To gain access to the third row, pull the lever on the top of the seat to flip that seat up. In the third row, we have 3 additional seats with cup holders on either side. So come take a look at the 2016 INFINITI QX80, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.